Tube Nation, what's going on? It's your boy Big Vic. Welcome to my Black Universe. Oh yeah, yeah. These are the Bevel trimmer blades version 2. You can see it right there, kind of small. See if we can get some of that focus in there. Focus in on that love. So let's unbox this, or should I say unbox it? Okay, all right, Bevel. All right. Nice little treatment. Let's look at the bag real quick. Get up in here. Of course, we got it's got the bubbles inside. Oh yeah. Blades version 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna go get my old blades and we're gonna compare them side by side. Alright people, we're back in. Old blades. Place them right here. New blades. Okay, and this is pouch style, so I'm gonna need some scissors, but bam. Okay. Besides me having off the rip, just in case you thought it was a gimmick, it's not. Shorter teeth. If you look at it, shorter teeth. The ends are thicker. I've been and broke that part. That was me. I dropped them. But yeah, man. Okay. They weren't playing. Version 2. This back part right here. It looks like it's comes in a little more. So let's look around this end. This is smaller than version 1. So it basically is like they streamlined it up until this part. And of course there's oil on here from use. And yeah, actually if you look, these are a little bit wider per se. Now I think one of the reasons they probably did that is because these blades, when they're moving, they move like that, like a up and down motion instead of the straight side to side when I'm using. So I am so anxious to cut with these. In about a week or so, I'll be actually trimming my beard again. Let's see if we can get the light off of it real quick. So you taking off a 0 gap. The dial still works, so you can bring it down. You can bring it back up to 0 gap. Let's get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah. I can't wait to use these. And the main reason I bought them, like I said, is they don't cut straight across. Like I can get cutting on the left corner and the right corner, but not in the middle because of the way the trimmers move. In fact, I'm going to show you the difference between the two in 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can get in. You see the way it's moving? It's not really cutting straight across. It's actually moving inside. It's kind of dipping down as it cuts. In fact, you see what I have a 0 gap now, but look at the way the blades sit across the teeth are sitting across each other. Let's get the focus in here real quick. You see how it's up here up top leaning and it comes down over here on the side as well? That's how it's cutting. And it'll just go from side to side. So I have play in the blades. These don't have that play. and blades. In fact, I'm trying to move it and it doesn't happen. So honestly, I cannot wait to. It should snap in place, no problem. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. They even have a different spring. Hold on, let me show you guys this. Look at the springs on this, man. The springs are completely different. And listen to the way it snaps in place. So we're gonna snap this one in place. And listen to this one. Whew, you gotta put some power into it. Like the ice cream sound. You can do it, put your back into it. You hear that? Oh, wow. Okay, you heard that. Mind you, I haven't yet to put any oil on these. Okay? In fact, I should do that, but I just want you guys to hit it real quick. One more time. One time for the one time, right? Line this thing up. Get it down. Yeah. Dope. Dope. Now, one thing I'm surprised is they didn't come with instructions just in case, since these are a slightly different design. From what I see, a better design, you know, for certain, just in case, like, okay, this is how you care for your old ones. Take this much care for your new ones. Just show you how they look inside. I'm loving it. Because I've been having issues with these blades cutting like they used to. And I see why they went with this design. And now they got them. What's a little thinner. Thinner profile. Thicker teeth right here on the edge. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to use these. So next video, guys, we'll see what the new Bevel Trimmers V2 blades. I will be trimming my beard with these only. I'm letting it grow all the way back out. I'll be doing the top part. I'm gonna set my line, and I'm gonna take care of underneath my chin, around the neckline, and we're gonna get that cleaned up. We're just gonna use these, the Aberlite flex shaper, and one of my beard tools. I'll decide which one at the time. Put some oil on it, put it through its paces, and we'll watch it do its thing. I am super excited. Shout out to Tristanwalker and the Walker company brand, or Walker brand company. I forgot how it goes. Well, Walker, his company and his team, you guys did it again, man. You're knocking it out. Breathing new life into this. Also, I'm a little hurt I didn't get one of the prototype T-blades, but I understand I'm not a barber. It's okay. It's all good. Peace and blessings. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'll say.